Well, hello everybody and welcome to Chef's Baking Blog. Today I'm going to make some crunchy coconut biscuits. It's a very easy recipe. We simply mix all the ingredients together into a dough, then we chill the dough for a little while before we roll it out, cut out the cookies or biscuits and bake them. So I'll go straight onto the ingredients. I have 150 grams, which is 1 cup based on scooping packed flour into a 250 milliliter cup of plain flour. 113 grams, which is 1 stick or half a cup of cold unsalted butter. I have 50 grams, a quarter of a cup of sugar, 30 grams, a third of a cup of desiccated coconut. If you don't have desiccated coconut, you can use unsweetened shredded coconut, and we're going to process it down so desiccated coconut is much finer already than unsweetened flaked coconut. I have about a gram, an eighth of a teaspoon of salt, and 1 medium egg, which is large in the USA, and I need to have that beaten by the time we're going to use it. So I will do that by the time we need it. And we'll go on to mix the ingredients. And I'm going to do it in the processor bowl of my immersion blender. And I'm going to put the dry ingredients in first. That's the flour, the coconut, the sugar and the salt, and I'm going to process those for a good few seconds. I want to get that coconut ground down a little bit. So I'll just pulse it and then process it a little bit. And I'm sure that's going to be good enough. And then I'm going to put my butter in. And I'm going to process that until the mixture resembles a sort of fine breadcrumbs. And that's good enough. So then I'm going to pour in my beaten egg. And I'm going to process that again until it clumps together into a dough. And that's clumped together. It's a bit sticky, but that's as it should be. So I'm going to tip that out. So I've tipped that out and it's very sticky. And I'm simply going to wrap that and then press it down into a disc. Just like that, and I actually do it into a square. That's fine. And I'm going to put that into the fridge for at least an hour. I want it to get very cold, and it will firm up more as it gets cold. And then I'll come back after an hour, and at that stage I will have my oven preheating to 190 degrees Celsius, 170 Celsius with a fan, 375 Fahrenheit. And I would have lined a couple of baking trays with silicone mats or with parchment paper, ready to roll the biscuits out and bake them. So I've taken half of the biscuit dough out of the fridge, and it's still soft, so I have put it on some plastic wrap which I have floured, and I've also floured the top, and I'm going to roll that out to a thickness of about 1/4 of an inch, which is slightly more than 5 millimeters. And that's good enough like that. So then I'm going to take a cookie cutter, which is about 57 millimeters in diameter, 2 1/4 inches, and I'm going to cut out the cookies, and then I will chill the remaining part of this dough and roll out more later on. And I'm going to pick those up carefully and transfer them onto a baking tray which I have lined, and I'm going to leave a little gap between each one. While this is still quite cold, I can re-roll it now, but if it gets too soft, then I will simply chill it. And I will chill this piece of dough and roll out the second half. So there are mine rolled out, and I have my oven preheated now, so I'm going to put those into the oven, and I'm going to bake them for between 12 and 15 minutes. So they should begin to colour on the top and go slightly brown around the edge, and as they start to brown around the edge, I'll take them out of the oven and put them onto a wire rack, and when they've cooled down completely, I'll come back and show you the results. I baked my crunchy coconut biscuits for 14 minutes, and they began to take some colour on around the edge, so I took them out of the oven and put them onto a wire rack and let them cool down. So I'll show you what they look like. They've baked up very nicely, I have to say, and they're nice and firm, which means they're going to be crunchy. I've already eaten one. I'll have a taste of another one now so that you can hear the crunch as well. This is a very simple and quite plain but slightly coconut flavoured biscuit, perfect with a cup of tea. Not too sweet, and I prefer things that aren't too sweet, so this is perfect for me for my cup of tea mid-morning or something like that. A very easy recipe. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please give me the thumbs up below and click to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the top right hand corner of the screen there'll be an eye that you can click on, and that will take you to a link for the recipe, and I'll put a link below the video as well. And I'll be back with another recipe in the very near future, so until then, happy baking.